My name is Aroninola Glory. I'm a student of the University of Lagos. I'm studying computer science and I'm in 100 level.
My name is Adeyemi Manuel Adesola. I'm a student of the University of Lagos studying accounting.
My name is Bello Jamiakob. I'm a year 1 student of University of Lagos Accounting Department.
My name is Temitope Olamide Jinodu. I'm a student of the University of Lagos. I'm studying electrical and electronics engineering. I'm in my 3rd year.
I am Ojong Ayuk Shogi, a student of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, University of Lagos.
For a while now, I've been looking for scholarship opportunities, and I told one of my friends. She sent a link to me and I applied. That was how I got to know about it.
I first saw it on Facebook, but I ignored. Thereafter, where I work, my boss sent me the link, then I checked for the requirements and I applied.
In my search for acquiring scholarships to assist my academic pursuits, on a fateful day, I and my friends were surfing through the internet, and one of us who had heard about the scholarship informed us, and we just put in and applied, and we finished up the application at night because the next day was the deadline. And that's how I was lucky enough to be selected as one of the beneficiaries.
And I can remember vividly, it was my brother that sent me the link, and at first I was resistant to apply for the scholarship, but it made me apply for the scholarship.
I heard about the Stanbic IBTC University Scholarship Program from the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, JAMB, in 2021. I was told I was one of the high-performing students in the UTME conducted in 2019, and that's how I heard about the Stanbic IBTC University Scholarship.
Sure, it was very seamless and the response was fast as well.
The application process was less stressful than other scholarships which I have tried and applied for, because I could round it up in less than 3 hours compared to others which take a very, very large amount of time.
The application process was very easy because I finished applying within 30 minutes. It was very easy.
So I was just overwhelmed. That's what I would say. I'll round it up in one word. I was very overwhelmed because I just came back from class and I checked my phone and I saw the email, and I couldn't control myself till about 30 minutes to an hour. My parents were very, very happy because it's a great relief. I mean, it's something very big. It's not everyone who applied was selected, and being part of the lucky beneficiaries, it's something of great joy and happiness.
I was so happy, I would say. I was very happy. I was the happiest person on earth that particular day.
I was very, very overjoyed. I was elated. I was very happy and surprised because I didn't expect it to happen. I was very happy. My parents, my mom especially, was very proud. She was happy. She prayed for Stanbic IBTC. She was very, very happy.
The scholarship has aided my academic performance. I'm able to get my books on time. I'm able to do my online courses on time. I'm able to learn more about my courses. So the scholarship has really impacted me in that manner.
It has motivated me to work harder and smarter. Instead of looking for tuition fees, I find time to pursue my academic goals and ambitions.
I've been able to focus wholeheartedly on my academics, and I don't have any reason to thinking about school fee, even when my school increased their school fee. So I was able to focus wholeheartedly on my academics, and I've been seeing the results.
This scholarship program actually solved most of the problems I have financially, in terms of school fees and every other thing financially.
For someone like me, my goal entering the university was to find a way to ease off the burden of tuition fee from my parents. And this is a very big opportunity, and this is a very clear chance for that goal to be achieved. So that's why I'm very, very grateful to be one of the beneficiaries.
Absolutely. I recommend it to friends and family because it has been a game changer for me, and I would like anyone looking for academic support to benefit from it?
Yes, I would gladly recommend the scholarship program to my friends and family because it's a very good scholarship program. They pay on time. Once I send in my documents, they pay timely, and then they will sponsor you from your first year to your fourth year. And basically, they've been improving on their scholarship program by collecting feedback from us beneficiaries. So I will recommend it any day and any time.
The University of Lagos is a very competitive university, being a federal university and a school of great repute. So if you are out there looking to gain admission into this great institute, I would advise, one, you take your academic level at secondary school stage very seriously. Take your UTME examination, if that's the means you want to use to enter, extremely seriously. And your O-level exams, put in your best and leave the rest to God, I guess.
For anyone looking to gain admission into the University of Lagos, all you need to do is study very hard. You take your UTME, your JAM very, very seriously, your O-level very serious, especially post-UTME. And of course, put God in the picture and you'll be fine.
I will advise they focus on their WAEC and JAM very well so that they can have a very good grade. And then at the same time, when they gain the admission to the university, they should still be focused so that they can still have a very good CGPA, because it will actually help them by paving way and open opportunities for them in the future.
I would say a very big thank you to Stanbic IBTC because this has really changed my life. Very, very big thank you and God bless you.
I would like to say a very big thank you to Stanbic IBTC and thank you once again for looking out for young ones like us who need opportunities like this to carry out our academic pursuits.
Thank you so much, Stanbic IBTC. I'm so happy for being one of the beneficiaries for 2023-2024 Stanbic IBTC University Scholarship. Thank you so much, Stanbic IBTC. I love you.
Thank you, Stanbic IBTC. I'm so grateful for this opportunity.
I would like to say a very big thank you to Stanbic IBTC Bank for investing in my education. I'm sincerely grateful and I'm looking forward to paying it forward. Thank you, Stanbic IBTC. God bless you.
My dreams are valid and I'm glad because Stanbic IBTC is, yes, going to make my dream come true.